So in this video, I will show you how I make my soap dough embeds. I tried to make a lot of white soap dough because the white is very versatile. You can basically color it any color that you want. I used to buy it from B, and I learned about soap dough because of B. So check her out. I will leave her page down in the description below. She is Sorcery Soaps, and I did not know anything about soap dough prior to seeing one of B's videos. So basically, I make my own now because mine is a little bit more on the softer side. That's the watermelon silicone mold that I'll be using, and basically what I do is my soap dough is a little bit more pliable and I push it into the mold. So I push it in really good. I make sure that the dough is into every little nook and cranny. So I'm pushing it in there, and once I have it firmly in there, then I'll show you how I just pop it out. So now let me just do it again. I grab my soap dough, I push it into the mold. I make sure that it's in every corner. This way the shape is perfect. Once it's firmly in there, I just go ahead and I pop it out. And as you can see, it takes the shape of the mold. So now I'm going to start painting it. So I'm going to use from Mad Mica's Bridesmaid. I believe it's Bridesmaid. I can't remember the name now, but I'll leave it down in the description below. I start with the lightest color first and then go to the darkest color. So basically I just grab my brush and I start painting the rim of the watermelon. So I do that for all colors. The next color obviously is going to be the color of the watermelon, then followed by the green, and then followed by the black. And here I leave you with the final clip. Look at those beautiful embeds. Look at the beautiful glitter. It just looks amazing. I can't wait to make my next soap. Thanks for watching.